So today I'm going to show you guys how to install React-Bootstrap into your React application. So let's assume that you guys already have the boilerplate for your React application by running this command right here. And once you ran this command, you will get this file and folders. So we have like source, public, nodes. So in order like to install a React Bootstrap, what you need to do is like you just Google React Bootstrap and then click on the first link and then click on Get Started. And then like on this page, it like explaining you how to install like step by step. But what you want to do is like you want to copy this line, then go to your directory. So right now I'm in this application like root directory, and then I want to paste that command and then press enter and then keep waiting. It might take a little bit of time like for it to load, and while we're waiting, what we can do is like we go back here and read the instruction. So what we want to do is, as it mentions right here, the following line can be included in your source /index.js or app.js file. So let's put this into the app.js file. Copy. So it's already done. And then we can go to source and then app.js, and you can include the we can like import the Bootstrap CSS file into our app, and then we do command save and then command S. So now you have access to the Bootstrap CSS. So how do we use it? So in order to use it, we need to look at this part. So first we need to import the stuff that you want to use. So for example, let's say that you want to use it buttons. So what you want to do is you need to copy this. I don't know why they said this is less ideally, but this is like what I normally use. So let's say that you want to use button, so you just go and then paste it right here, and then so let's go and find like some examples. So like you will find all of your component, the example of the for React Bootstrap on this website. This is like the website React dash bootstrap.github.io. So let's go to components, and then let's go to buttons. Let's copy all of this and control copy. Let me show you guys like what show right now, like with the boilerplate, like with the React boilerplate. So if I run npm start, we will expect to see like the React logo, and it takes some time. So right now it looks like this. What I want to do is I want to remove everything. So let's remove everything. It should be empty if I press save. Still compiling. So it's empty right now. So let's go ahead and paste all of that. Let's change this to container. container is like a special class for Bootstrap as well. So what we want to do is we want to import buttons because like it uses button and also like button toolbar. So right now if I press save, it'll be complaining that it doesn't have like the button toolbar right here. As you can see right here, so we need to import that. So we need to do button toolbar. And we are expecting to see logo is not defined. But never use. Okay. Because like we delete the logo, React logo, and we didn't use it. So right. So what we're expecting to see is this buttons, and that's exactly what we expected. All these buttons. So that's about it. So like in the case that you want to use what else? You want to use alert. So in the case that you want to use alert, primary success. Let's see what else. Let's use something like a badge. Card input. Let's look at input groups. So in the case that you want to have this input group, what you can do is like copy everything. Copy. But the key part is we need to make sure that we can only like return like one diff. The key takeaway from this is like you need to import every components that you use inside of this import. So in this case we need input group, where we need like form control, for some reason like my laptop is like running on like a full speed right now, like the fan is like screaming. Input group, label, no. Alright, I mean we can like save it, and we're complaining container is not defined, so container and save. Alright, so we go to React. As you can see, it looks nice. The container also got trigger as well. As you can see, it's create like some margin on left and right. So that's about it, guys. So like let's summarize like what I have done. So first you need to run this command. So first you need to go to the website, getting started, and make sure you run this command npm install React Bootstrap and Bootstrap. And once you do npm install, you need to import this line into your app.js. That's why I put it in. And whenever you want to use a components, you need to make sure that you import those components in this form, like import, and then you open the curly bracket, then you list all the components that you want to use, and then you mention from React Bootstrap. And in the case that you want to use it like in other like component that basically like children of this app components. So let's say that you want to create a student.js component, which is like a children of app.js. What you need to do is you just need to import this. You don't need to import the CSS file. Like the CSS file, it doesn't have to be like on every .js file. It's like it should be only in app.js, which is like the highest components. So since it's the highest component, like the children component of app.js will recognize this import right here. So you don't need to like like re-import it in other children components. Yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. And thanks for watching. Bye.